What's up, YouTube? Bob Billingsworth here. So today, doing something a little special. I'm doing an unboxing of one of the new Lord of the Rings collector boosters. So I paid around $450 for this bad boy, and should have some pretty dope cards inside. So let's take a quick look. All right, one booster to rule them all. Pretty cool. So there's a card in here. You potentially win. You could find the one ring and get $10 million, or not 10 million, but $2 million. At least that's the last that I heard. Oh, pretty nuts. How do you even open these boosters anymore, man? It's been a while. Let's see. Here we go. There. Okay. Okay. There we go. Cool Orc Army foil. Okay. Rally at the Hornburg. Hobbit Sting. Nice. Revive the Shire. Isolation at Orthanc. Fear, Fire, Foes. Rise of the Witch King. Nice. Mountain, that is a dope mountain. Dang. Mines of Moria. Cool. Lobelia Sackville Baggins, yo. Gollum, Obsessed Stalker, nice. Faramir, Field Commander, cool. Elrond, Master of Healing. Last March of the Ents, oh man, that's a full art, epic rare. Dang, that is cool looking. And Dunland Creebane. And Eowyn, Fearless Knight. Nice. Man, these are some sick looking cards. Very cool.